We've got the media team down today to do one of their famous kit out battles. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Lydia, the store manager of Norwich, and this is...
And I'm Sam. I am a sales executive. Today we are going to do this kit battle, so we are going to play rock, paper, scissors first to decide who goes first and what the category is.
So,
ready? On shoot.
1, 2, 3.
Shoot.
I win. Oh no, that means I go first. Right, okay, so I am gonna do touring, but on a budget, because we have a lot of people that come in that might walk that way and be quite scared that the first jacket they see is about £1,400. So if we head this way, that will allow us to show you a few ideas. So what I am thinking is, right, so RST Alpha 5 jacket, lovely jacket, waterproof, removable thermal lining, some vents and longer in the body. So that will cover over nicely down to the rear, reflective strips, and then also you can pop a back protector in and you are looking at £100 pretty much for the jacket. And then a matching trouser, you could go with the Alpha, but also you can mix and match their RST trousers, which are £100, and then you can go for either a regular leg or a long leg, and even a short leg if you need it. So £200 we're looking at for the top and bottom there. We're going to head over to the boot area. So here I am going to go for, so there's a couple of different options that you could have a look at. You could do an RST Atlas boot, which has the reflective sections on here. You're looking at £139.99, zip interior and higher, but also if you wanted, you could also, depending on how your foot fits into the boot, you could do, I had to move around yesterday, Oxford tracker boots. Again, a little bit higher, you can cinch it in at the top and you're looking at £129.99. So, depending on whether you like your jacket over or under with your gloves, I would say the Sparta Junction glove. Sorry, I've just lost my clothes sizing tag. So you're looking at £44.99 and a really decent set of gloves. Waterproof, if you want them to stay waterproof, stay underneath your cuff, because then that means the water will run down over the top and you are all good to go. So next, crash helmet. Head this way. I feel like Challenge Annika. If you're old enough to remember that, then good. If you're young enough, just smile and agree. At the moment, we've got the HJC I90. This is a 2205 helmet that is now discontinued, but an excellent crash helmet. It's been one of my best sellers for years. In the plain, you're looking at £134.99. If you wanted to go full face rather than flip, you could have a look at the HJC C10. Lovely crash helmet, plain one, you're looking at £89.99. You could also have a look at an MT we've got here, the Stinger 2, £59.99. Really lovely little crash helmet. So for not too much, we've got helmet, jacket, trousers, boots and gloves. You're kitted out, ready to go. Right, so that's me done. Down to you. What can you show our lovely people?
Cool, okay, so we're going for an unlimited budget. First thing I'm going to show you guys is the Reeser Atlantic 2 set. Sorry. Awesome stuff, blend of 2 and 3 layer Gore-Tex, nice down thermal liner on the inside, matching trousers, lovely comfy kit. Cannot recommend it enough. Next thing we're going over for is boots, because I love running around. Dainese Freeland 2s. I have a pair of these, love them to death, softest boots I've ever bought. Gore-Tex again, super comfortable. Gloves, we are going for, they've moved, the 5 GT1s, which are around here somewhere. Here. Fully bonded gore grip, Primaloft aerogel, pretty much top of the line of everything you can get. Great if you find that your hands get cold and you lose your circulation, but you still want something that's nice and warm. Downstairs, the helmets. Shoei GTO 3, brilliant stuff. Need a PFS for this? We can do that here as well. Super nice, comfortable touring helmet, internal sun visor, just on the side here. Pretty much what you could possibly want. space for the SRL3, centers integrated comms for it, works nicely, pairs to your phone, pairs to your GPS, all you could possibly want. Oh, that's me done.
So we picked all the kit and now we're going to debate about who has won over which contest. So I have the Sparta Junction gloves, RST Alpha jacket, S1 trousers and Atlas boots along with an HJC C10. I think personally I've won, but let's go to Sam.
So I have a GTR 3 hike, I have the 5 GT1 gloves and the Rukka Atlantic 2 set, so top and bottom, and my Dainese Freeland 2 boots, nicely worn. I think this is great because it's about the best waterproofing you can get all round and nice and warm.
I like this because it's comfortable. It can then allow you, if you want to add to your kit later on, that you haven't got that massive outlay to start off with, because you've got your bike, you've got your insurance, you've got your tests and everything. It's a decent set of kit that you can start with, and as you get there, replace certain items, grow with your biking.
So, but I've got my vents, I've got my removable downliner, I've got my D3O armour. What more could you possibly want?
To look as good as this? So Sam, why would I buy this over this?
Primarily, you know, I'm going for something that's been for someone on the road who's been on the road for a while, uses the bike all the time. Gore-Tex. Cannot be between 2 and 3 layers, laminated Gore-Tex. Pretty much the best waterproofing you can absolutely manage. Gore-Tex boots, Gore-Tex gloves. We're going for the full set.
Going for the full set.
So with the RST, what do you like about it? What's
comfortable, it is robust, you've got the ability to take the thermal lining out, so you can make it into a multi-seasonal product. If you wanted to add a little bit more warmth, you could add a base layer, or if you're a bit too warm during the summer, you could then change it and put one of the zero fit cooling layers on. So you can turn this garment into a multi-seasonal product that just works, and it's comfortable again, and it fits lots of different body shapes. So if you're longer in the body, this would be perfect, but also if you're shorter in the body, you could swap this out for the Pilot, which is another really lovely jacket but shorter, so that it's not swamping you, so that would fit better.
So you've got a nice all-round kit that's got a bit of customization in it. That's what you're going for.
Yeah.
So why did you go for the C10?
So C10s, they will go down smaller in size, and because I've got a pinhead, small head, it works better for myself. So these ones go down to a 3 extra small in a variety of colours. So for me as a lady, it gives you a better range of items that you can wear, but also they will go up larger as well. So it's a multi-purpose product through both female and male. Why do you think your crash helmet is better?
So I love the Shoei's. The aim shell is great. The internal sun visors on these are lovely, nice and easy to get to on the side, and they come all the way down, so they give you a nice big field of view. Nice vents on the top, and also the PFS, Shoei's personalised fitting system. So these can be measured and custom fit for pretty much any head you go for, across most of their models as well. So if I want to go for a Neotec, a flip front kind of more touring helmet, crossing borders, that kind of thing, that's what they're good for. We can do the PFS on that as well, which is great. Works nicely for me because I have a weird shaped head and I need the PFS.
Well, actually, yes, so that would be good for us both on that side, because we are both PFS trained here in Norwich. So now we've discussed all of our items. Don't forget, please, that we cater for every riding type, we cater for every budget. There's a range of people in during the week and during the weekends, so if there's a particular person you want to come and see, or you just are happy to be guided by one of our staff, please do ask. So downstairs, a lot of people don't know, is that we have a massive helmet showroom. So we are a Shoei super centre, and we have a beautiful range of Shoeis, HJCs, K-Bergs. We have, you name it, we can source it if it's not here. So please don't forget to ask, and if there's something size-wise that's not out, give us a shout and we'll grab it from the cupboard behind that's off show.
the last thing to talk about is we are a PFS centre. We're the only one in Norwich as far as I'm aware, so if you do want to get your helmets fitted, just pop in, have a chat with one of us. We've got 3 fitters at the minute, so we can get you in either during the week, we'll try and do it at weekends as well. Yeah, just let us know. If you come in with a helmet in mind, it gives us a little bit of help, otherwise we're happy to measure and talk you through it all. If you like this video, guys, make sure to give us a like. Let us know in the comments who you think won, but if you've got any more questions, do drop it in, and remember to subscribe for more videos.